Ship bridge antennas are essential components that play a crucial role in maritime communication and navigation. These antennas may look like simple metallic structures, but they are the backbone of a ship's ability to operate safely and efficiently at sea. Let's start with the VHF antenna. This is your go-to for short-range communication. Much like a maritime walkie-talkie, it allows ships to communicate with each other and with coastal stations when they are near land. This is vital for routine communication and even more critical during emergencies, where every second counts. The VHF ensures that your voice is heard instantly, making it indispensable for safety at sea. Next up is the MFHF antenna, which stands for medium and high frequency. This antenna is designed for long-range communication, enabling ships to stay connected even when they are thousands of miles from shore. It's a key component of the Global Maritime Distress and Safety System, or GMDSS. This system allows vessels to send out distress signals and receive crucial safety messages, ensuring that help can be called from anywhere in the world. Now, let's talk about the AIS antenna, or Automatic Identification System. This system acts like a traffic controller for the seas. It automatically identifies and tracks other vessels in real time, transmitting your ship's position, speed, and course while receiving the same information from others. This is a lifesaver for avoiding collisions, especially in busy shipping lanes or challenging weather conditions. Then we have the GPS antenna, which is essential for accurate positioning. This small but powerful antenna connects with global satellite systems to provide precise location data. It helps ships plot their routes and know their exact position during emergencies. Without GPS, navigating the vast oceans would be a daunting task. The radar antenna is another critical piece of equipment. It sends out radio waves to detect nearby ships, land masses, and obstacles in the ship's path. This is especially important when visibility is poor due to fog, rain, or darkness. The radar creates a detailed picture of the surrounding environment, allowing officers to navigate safely and avoid hazards. For global connectivity, ships rely on the satellite communication antenna. These antennas enable communication via satellite networks, no matter how remote the ocean. They are used for everything from accessing the internet for operational data and weather updates to making essential emergency calls. This technology ensures that ships remain connected to the world, even when they are far from land. Lastly, we have Wi-Fi and cellular antennas, which provide onboard internet connectivity. This allows crew members to stay in touch with loved ones and access vital operational data. In today's connected world, even ships need their broadband to function effectively. All these antennas work together as an intricate network, constantly sending and receiving vital information. They are the eyes, ears, and voice of the ship, ensuring safe navigation, efficient communication, and the overall safety of maritime operations. Without these antennas, modern shipping would not be possible. Understanding their functions is essential for anyone interested in the maritime world.